Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing. We're going to get into the video in just a second. Note, there's a number around this video. If you need us, please give us a call. We want to help. Any questions you have, we can get you answered. There's a bunch of these videos, so if your questions aren't answered here, you can look at some of those other videos. Give us a call. There'll be a link or a button around here to jump into a chat with us if that's what you'd like to do. We want to hear from you. We want your feedback. We want to solve the problems you have. You have a fantastic day, and the question we're going to be answering today is, what should you do if you're not satisfied with your service from Kingstree Plumbing? First of all, if you're in a situation where you've had a negative experience, and we will do everything we can as a team to make sure everything is right, and you come away from this extremely happy with how we reacted to what's going on. There is a number around here. Please call us immediately so we can get on this. You know, we want to deal with it as quick as possible and make sure we've done everything we can to deliver on the best service possible. That's what we want to do. So please call as soon as possible. There'll be a number around here you can call, and possibly a link around here as well where you can jump into a chat even. But the main thing is just contact us immediately, and we'll do whatever we can. If we get any bad negative feedback from anyone, we all come together as a team in the office. We jump to fix what's going on. If you can provide as much specific details as possible on that call, maybe you have pictures or video. Our guys are very good at taking pictures before and after calls, of writing all their notes down. You know, all the calls and everything are recorded, so we do have good documentation of exactly what's going on. But anything you can bring to the conversation, please call us as soon as possible. The faster we know about it, the quicker we can help. So lastly guys, we are a small local family company. If stuff comes in, negative stuff comes in, we see it, we take everything to heart, and we want to jump on it as quickly as possible. But the key is the communication. So please call us and we can get to helping you. There's multiple options here you can use, and we'll speak to you soon. We really look forward to serving you. Have a fantastic day. Bye now.